A smoky eye is usually bold and dark. Smoky eyes can also be worn during the day. Onto the eye makeup we already have, I'm simply going to apply a black eyeshadow onto the outer crease using a domed shaped brush. It is very important to blend any harsh line, and I'm using a flat blending brush for this process. Any dark color can be used to smoke out the eyelid color. It simply has to complement each other. Properly blend to look seamless. I'm simply adding more eyeshadow color onto the lid. If you'd like, you can go in with more colors on the lid and outer corner of the eyes, but this is a natural smoky look. You can use any color of your choice for the lid color and the outer corner of the eyes. This is the final look for my first model after the makeup. She's so pretty. My second model's skin is lighter than my first, and her brows are really full and natural. Just want to show you how a smoky eye looks on the skin like hers, with a full and natural eyebrow like hers as well. After applying the dark color to the outer corner of the eyes, simply blend with a blending brush. You can add more color as you want and build. Remember, less is more, and it's easier to build on a color and blend it out than to put too much at first and have difficulty removing it. I'm just going to do the second eye like the first one and applying a black eyeshadow to the outer corner of the eyes with a domed brush and blend with a blending brush. Remember to pat on color first before blending, and I'm blending the color slightly onto the crease for more definition. Here she is before and after. She's so pretty and still looks like itself, only more beautiful.